article called Article 223 that gives the leeway to government officials that they can spend money that is actually not budgeted and they later come to parliament to ask for approval. So mimi ningewahimiza wale wote wanashikilia various departments, nyinyi tafadhali hata tumieni pesa haiko katika budget, kwa sababu ile tuko nayo sasa sio maneno ya kuulizana kama pesa inatosha. And I want to assure them when they bring before our committee, we are going to approve those expenditures and also parliament will approve, because afadhali tuulizane maswali kama Wakenya wameangaliwa than kukue hakuna maswali kama Wakenya wamepata shida.
Yes, to cluster the risk, high risk, medium and low risk, adoleme in high risk areas, mabe mathegio darashairia turona shikimomoka, ciambe cigo completely. No toria marekire wega go suspend movement ya canoes and boats. Tuthi na mbere na kurehe measures. Hinde ya COVID ni twarehire measures iria andu marumirire, koguo turehoya kina hinda riri andu metikire measures.